Here we are, part 5, week 4 for the pups. Let's get on. Puppies! Puppies! Hello pups! Hello pups! Hello pups! Hello pups! Hello pups! Hello! Puppies! Hello pups! Hello pups! Hello pups! There's the other two. The smallest boy. Puppies! Hello! Hello, it comes in as you're the first one. Always the first one, no? Yellow! Yellow! And you are walking about. You are walking about now. Yeah! Good boy, come on then. Yeah, come on, look, he's walking now. He wasn't walking now, but now he is. Hello, puppy. Hello. Hello. Hello, puppy. 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 Puppies. 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 Oh, puppy number 1. Smallest boy. You. Mister, let's get you weighed. Let's get you weighed. For this. Okay, no on 0. Put him in. 890 grams. Hey pup! Now the biggest boy. In he goes. And it's counting to 830. What you got then? Coming up to 900. He's a little moving. He likes to move about quite a lot. So 800 and... he's moving about. So say around about 860, 960. Yeah, I've seen that pop up 3 times now, so around about 860. I must say it was quite difficult trying to measure him, so I think we're going to leave it. Let's go ahead and weigh her. We can still weigh them. That's the girl. That's the girl. The pups, they like to run between your feet. Okay, in they go. And she goes. And we're measuring straight up to 985. Yeah, 985. That's the girl. They just love to come to your foot and follow your foot around. Hey pups! Lost sight of it. Here it is. Here it is. Oh no! Oh no! Puppy invasion. Puppy invasion! Puppy invasion, Nyla! Puppy invasion! Hey, pup. And the other two are asleep, so we've got the small boy done, the big boy and the girl. Got to do Mr. Spot. The one with the spot on his head. Look, he's going back into his bed. He knows his way. He knows his way. And now he comes to play again. In he goes. He's on to 902, 910. What are we on then? He's moving about as well. 879. Okay, 879. That's how much you weigh. That's how much you weigh. Puppy. Hello. Hello. Say hello to the camera. Say hello to the camera. Yeah, hand comparison. There you go. There you go. Little toy dogs. Your girl was the first one to actually start walking, and shortly after this one here, and then the smallest one, which was this one here, and then finally just yesterday really, was this one here. So there we go. Hey pups! Hey pups! Hello Nola. What are you doing? She wants to play. She wants to play. Hello Nyla. Hello Nyla, come here. It's a good girl. Come in. Hello? Hello? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Come on out. So that we can see you. Puppy! Puppy! Yeah, come on! Come on, you can walk. You can walk. Yeah, come on. I done a wee. There we go. Thank you very much for watching. That was week 4 and part 5 of the Jack Russell pups. This is the smallest one. And they're doing really well. They're all walking about, all moaning, all whinging. The girl and the boy have started to bark. The girl and the biggest boy. And it was all going really well so far. So thank you very much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a like. Share it about. And yeah. And I'll keep posting videos every Tuesday as always. Guys and girls, boys, everybody, have a lovely evening. I'll see you later. Bye.